Today a session on 5 AI tools which you can use for getting a better job. And today we having the Mukul Juneja with us. He's a director on neurotechnologies and he's also a technical consultant and helping to the various companies how to use the AI and the others cloud platform to make the hiring process and other things better. Hi Mukul, welcome to the show.
Hey Shalendra, thank you so much for having me here.
Yeah, please go ahead. Now
All
it's
right,
up to you.
perfect. Okay, so thank you so much for having me here, first of all. And apart from that, you have given a basic introduction of what I have been doing. So more than that, I personally feel coming directly to the topic, not wasting time of the people. Like applying for a job has sort of become redundant or monotonous. Is
Mhm.
something with the AI, Chat GPT, and all those things coming into picture. We need to like upscale ourselves as well. If we are keep on going in the same manner, keep we have the old resume with us, keep on applying with the same resume, everything everywhere, it's not gonna work. There's like a lot of people applying for a single sort of jobs, and with a lot of layoffs coming recently with Cognizant, Amazon, AWS, etc. So like a lot of people out there who are gunning or fighting for a same sort of position. So we need to be smart. And well, it's like sort of a blessing for all of us that the AI is gonna help us in that sense. Yes, AI is gonna take away a few of the jobs, but apart from that, it's gonna help us in terms of creating a lot more as well. So if we feel that we are smart enough, we feel we are ready to put in efforts, put in hours, well, AI is gonna be a blessing for us rather than something that will take away everything from us. So I feel like AI, the Chat GPT is something that people know. Like Chat GPT is AI. It's not like that. Chat GPT is one of the things that is using the concepts and the power of AI and helping us out in terms of providing all the information at once. There are other amazing AI tools available. Will not go in all of them, but a few of them, mainly five, which I feel gonna help you a lot in terms of evolving the whole structure of how you can apply for a job in a better, in a very optimized manner. So, Shailendra, if you want me to take away, I'll directly go towards that
Yeah,
tools
please
and
do share
how
your
you want.
screen. I think you having the PPT as well, am I right?
So PPT is not with me. PPT was with this Rupinder only. It's like
Are you
so.
sharing your screen?
Yeah, I can share the screen. Apart from that, I have a few tools. I'll share the screen and show how those tools can be used. And well,
Yeah,
I guess this
please.
would be more helpful. So before going directly towards that, I'll be covering the five categories, naming them one by one. One would be towards the AI-based resume creation, how you can create your own resume using AI, where AI will be giving you pointers and then you can use them. Second would be a job matching tool, something I don't want you to be like spending a lot of time in terms of finding A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z of the jobs. I want AI to be helping you, like doing all the due diligence, salary sort of matching and everything. That would be the second tool that we're going to cover. Third one would be cover letter generation. So it's like resume is an important point, but apart from that, how you represent yourself on a cover letter in front of the employers and all is also an important criteria. So AI is going to help us there as well. So don't worry about it. Fourth is how you write your email. Believe me, thousands of email goes unseen, drafted, deleted from the inbox, and you guys would have been doing the same thing. So, like we would be writing those mails in a very like stringent and very nice manner using AI. So that was the fourth tool that we are going to cover. Fifth one is a negotiation tool. So basically, like if you're going for a job, you don't want to ask for too much or way too less. Because if you're going to ask too much, there are a lot of other candidates who are applying for the same job. But if you ask way too less, then you would be getting all your percentage hikes based on the base that you are setting up. So you don't want that to happen as well. So first and the most important tool I'll be covering first is the AI-based resume generator. So the tool that I personally feel is a great one to go for is Kick. It's Kick Resume. So I'll quickly share my screen and show you a slide process. I have a sort of whole mechanism already set up. I have registered in that website as well. So this is the Kick Resume dashboard that would be looking like. Like we can have the free version used, but if you feel that there's a great tool to go forward, you can have the premium sort of subscription as well. So there's an option called new resume with AI. Just click on this. It will ask you a few details like my email IDs and all. Country you live in. Let's say I go for India. I go for the next thing. It's like ask me which company name I'm working with. So I'm working with Muro right now. I'm the director of technology out there. But let's say if I have to work as a software, I was working as a software developer. Let's say period 2022, and I'm still working there. So let's mark it. I currently work here. Next. So it's more of like
Mukul,
where
Mukul,
did I
sorry.
study? So let's say I write it IP
Exactly.
University. Field of study, let's say BTech CSE. From the time period, let's say I fill in 2010 and I completed, let's say 2015. So once that is marked, I click on resume. It asks me what sort of skills I have the proficiency with. Let's say I have English. Let's say I am
Can
good
you
with
hear me?
the Java. Let's say I'm good with cloud related to AWS. Let's say good with JavaScript. And hobbies, let's say reading, yoga, or cricket, for example. Let's say we put it in all. Once that is done, I ask AI to do the resume generation. I don't have to worry about anything. So it's gonna do the basic framework point. Believe me, it's gonna provide a good pointers in terms of the things that I provided. So let's just wait for it to be done. And here you go. Here we have the basic sort of resume that is already created for me. You'll see here is like profile has been created and it has done a good job. I'll just zoom a bit to see it's like to obtain a challenging position as a software developer where I can utilize my skills and my knowledge in Java, JavaScript, AWS, etc., etc., and all those details have been provided.
Mukul,
Second is
can you
like
hear?
work experience, software developer, created an employment software, developed new features, rewrote code, implementation
Guys,
software that
please
double
hold on.
sales, etc.
We
When
are trying
then
to
comes
fix
to
the
BTech,
things.
it has already put in the points of completed a 4-year BTech, gained in-depth knowledge, etc., etc. And same for the skills in different skills. So you can change the values for sure. We have all the things to cater from here. Like if I want to put in the profile picture, I can. But let's say I don't like the design of this resume. It do provide us with different sort of design templates as well, where we can go and choose anyone we want. Let's say I just click on anyone for the reference purpose. Let's say this is done, and voila, the whole thing is changed for us. And again, going back in, I can fill in all the details that I want. And after that, there's an AI toolbox. We can't use it as of now because we don't have a lot of data, but we can do and use the criteria of AIs as well. And where exactly it will helping you further to pitch in, I'll show. So you feel that you don't like the criteria of whole thing that has been written in terms of your profile. So what you can do is rather than going for this, you can write a few words. Let's say I'm a skilled, adventurous boy. Let's say I just write this one, okay? And I ask AI to do it for me. I don't want to write it further. I've given him certain hints. Just click on rewrite section. Based on the words that you have written, it will give you a complete idea of what exactly the content could go here. So this is how you can use it. So this is the first tool in terms of
Mukul, can you hear me? Mukul, I'm sorry to interrupt
how we can
you.
utilize the
Are
whole
you
thing
facing
of
from?
like how like creating resumes using AI. Just give me a moment. I'm stopping my screen share and coming back. Just a moment, guys.
Can you show the things from the beginning because nothing is visible to us? So, guys, please hold on. I think there is an internet connection issue. Meanwhile, what are the queries you having? You can keep asking through the chat window. I will try to answer those things. Don't worry, we will start the thing from beginning. So, how many people are here fresher? Can you tell me through the chat window? How many people are here fresher and looking for the job change? Do let me know through the chat window. And how many people are here fresher? How many people are here having the experience? If you're having the experience, then how much experience do you have? Please do reply. I'm not getting your answer.
Hey, sorry guys, I had some technical glitch. It's been fixed now.
Okay,
Shirendra,
so
can you just help me like
there is a
where
one request. There is a one request. Actually, your screen was blur, so we are not able to see what tool you open and how you open. Okay. So
okay?
can you start the thing from the beginning so that the people can see?
See, that tool provides only one chance over that specific thing, so I won't be able to go and do the generation from the start. But let me take it forward.
At least the people can see the URL, whatever you are accessing.
Can you just see my screen now?
Again, it is blur.
Again, it is blur. I guess something is sort of happening with the tool. Moment
Your
I'm
side
sharing,
is internet. I think internet is not.
no,
Internet is
no,
not.
internet is working fine. I just checked it, 250 Mbps showing for me. The
My
website
side
is
is
getting
not.
hanged.
Mhm. But my I still it is showing not good connectivity. I think
Uh,
it's internet issue. Okay, Ashish is having 12 years of experience and subscribe for .NET Core, Angular, Azure. Okay.
the website is going hang for me.
Can you share the screen again, please?
I think the moment I'm sharing the screen, the website is getting hanged. I just checked my internet connection is fine. The sharing screen is causing problem.
Okay.
Just give me a moment. Let me try once again. If it case it help
No, can
works.
you share the screen from another browser? Which browser you are using?
I'm using Chrome, but again, I guess it's like the sharing screen. If I has to be done, I have to shift to another browser. So just give me a moment. Let me try it again. Closing the video if in case that helps. Just give me a moment. Are you able to see it fine?
But still the same issue. It is still blur.
Hmm. I guess that's like again, my screen has been hanged again. Sharing the screen.
Okay, hold on. I'm sharing the Zoom meeting link. Okay.
Sure.
Please join that one. We will do the live from there. Don't worry.
Where would I be getting the link?
Yeah, I'm sharing on the chat. Hold on. Don't leave the meeting.
Okay.
So people, please hold on. Okay. I'm going to do the live from the Zoom meeting. Just give me 1 minute to start the things again. Mugul, I just schedule the private chat. Can you check over there?
I'm not able to click anywhere. The whole website is hanged for me. My whole other system is working, but the website is hanged.
Stop sharing the screen.
Let me rejoin. Let me rejoin.
Can you check the chat which I shared right now? So guys, the people who join us, please wait for a couple of minutes. We are going to restart the thing from the Zoom. I think there's an issue at the